Hey everyone, this is Daren with Madcap Toys. I want to thank you for stopping by, spending time with us as always. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I actually got this from a person that we made a deal with on Mercari. Her name was Mary R. Thank you, Mary R, for making the deal. And I'm going to show you what it is. I'm not quite sure what is in this box. I know what's in the box to a point. It's going to be a lot of Power Rangers, but I'm not sure of the entirety of the lot of Power Rangers that we received. So if that makes sense, which I hope it does, let's see what's in here.
And while you're cutting, I think what he means is that she threw in some extra figures that we weren't aware of until after the fact. So that's the cool thing. So we're going to find out with you what's inside the box.
Exactly. All right, Mary, let's see how good you did. All right. Well, she did a lot of good packing here. Let's start out with this box here. I'll just stick this over here behind me, guys. Bring them out so much at a time if that's good. All right, she double bagged it. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of you guys, I've noticed some of you guys when we talk about these toys and unboxings, you complain if people put things in little Target bags, Walmart bags, whatever. It really doesn't matter to us as long as one, they're clean, and two, they don't smell like smoke. That's very important. And that you send us exactly what you told us you'd send us. All right, well, we've got the red Power Ranger, of course. All right, I'll just put some of these out. Well, we got some X-Men.
Nice.
She gave us some weapons, odds and end weapons, which I'll basically go through all those. And I don't know who he is, but I think he's one of those Ultramen from Japan.
Cool.
Okay, we got a blue Power Ranger. It's very cool. Let me put the Power Rangers together and the others separate. And then I'm going to put all the weapons right here. We got another odds and end action figure. Not sure who he is. We got us a blue Power Ranger. Okay, looks really cool. And like Kathy said, we got some of these guys that we didn't expect. She gave it to us. We bought off of Mary before a couple of times. I have to work on that later, obviously. And she's done pretty good by us. Okay. And then we got another one. Superman action figure.
Kind of one that looks like he's flying.
Yeah, exactly. Got another blue Power Ranger.
Close up figure there. That's a
Get
nice
my
one.
hands out of the way. Have you got them relatively well?
Yeah. If you guys know what some of these figures are that are non-Power Rangers, please put it in the comments below. We would love to know.
Yeah. And then I've got this, the black Power Ranger.
Okay. No helmet, huh?
No, I don't see it, but it may be in the parts and pieces down here below. And originally when I did this deal with Mary, it's just a little Sojourner Army voter
Nice.
guy. It was for 48 pieces. Okay, and I got a little bunch of odds and ends, which I'll keep so many and sell so many. Just put them out here.
Looking at all the weapons there.
Yeah.
Different kind of weapons. Looks like swords.
Odds and ends.
Helmets, things of the like. And Daren will be listing these.
Yeah.
Maybe in a lot, or so various lots. Maybe dividing them up. So
probably a couple of lots normally.
Yeah.
I do it because I don't like to give too huge lots because we lose value and the person that buys
So
them.
if you see something in here that you like and see it eventually, you will be seeing them listed on eBay as well as Mercari. So just let us know in the comments below.
And then let me go here with another bag.
Oh, it's a big bag. It actually has a tear on the bottom.
Yes, it does. Okay, it looks like we've got, I believe those are Zords. Do you want to look at them?
Yeah.
Just tell me and I'll get it.
Okay, nice.
Okay. And if you notice, I got my light out here. I'm trying to give magnification to the action figures, more Zords.
Okay.
And we got another blue Power Ranger.
It's a differently dressed one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Than the others. You see that they're all different blue ones here.
A little different setup. Okay, we got another black one.
Okay.
They're all little variant difference, guys. And you Power Rangers fans out there in the toy world community will know the various Zords. And guys, let me do a little something here just to make it a little interesting for the kids. All right, this one here is damaged.
But we love damage sometimes, and why is that, Daren?
Well, because a lot of times people will take these characters like this, they'll need a leg, they'll need an arm, they'll need a head or a body, and they'll take it and they'll reassemble action figure that needs a certain part. They may not need the entirety of the action figure, but they may need parts of the action figure.
Right, exactly.
And there's a lot of guys like me, I will repair G.I. Joes and some Star Wars all day long. But some figures I will not repair. I don't work on Masters of the Universe. I don't work on She-Ra. I don't work on Power Rangers, you know. But I do some.
But it's a learning experience for the both of us. So we try to do our very, very best to see if we can fix it or not. And if we can't, we just list it as unfixed and people buy them as parts. He's very nice. He's taller, isn't he?
Yeah, a little bit different. Some of them's about 4.5, 5 inches. Some of them's 6 to 6.5 a lot of times.
Oh, I like his design.
Let me get him standing up there.
Very nice. I don't think I've ever seen that action figure before, the Power Ranger action figure
some
before.
of them have, like this one here has that popping head that flops around.
Kind of show us that, Daren.
Let's see if I can. Let's see here. If I can get it to go. I may not be able to do it here because I can't see my glasses. See?
Fine. Okay.
See, did you see what I did?
It repeated a little bit for us.
All right, here we go. It's got the popping head design. You basically pop out the back, open the front, just push it around.
Okay.
That's basically what you do with it.
All right, nice. I didn't know that they...
Some of them's legs are a tad looser than others. Okay, for instance, here is the leg that goes to him. Basically, what you see here is he's had a little knee damage. Okay, kids probably played with him a little bit rough. So, and then here's the what I call the Black Samurai, because they had a series that looked like little samurai warriors.
Cool.
I got this gentleman right here as well.
Now, who would he be from?
I have no clue.
That could be one of the extra ones that we got in, guys.
I would definitely say it is, yeah.
But you know what's cool? We usually research every single one we don't know. And we do have some cool friends and people that are enthusiasts like us that email us and say, guys, we know what this one is, and help us out. So
now, I did not have, speaking of that, I did not have permission to use his name, so I'm not going to use his name. But the guy that helped me today with the Transformer lot that I put on, I actually bought 1,000 pieces of Transformers from a doctor. And I've been putting them on over the last couple weeks on Mercari and eBay. And I appreciate your help for helping me figure out it was Sidearm from the Dark Side of the Moon. I can get 99% of them, but I could not find him for whatever the reason is. So I appreciate your help to help me with his name and all the details on that. Thank you so much. And if you allow me to use your name when you help me, say, Daren, you can mention me in a video, and I will.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And if you have a YouTube channel, let us know. We'll shout you out on our next video.
I appreciate the help. Hey, here's Cable. That's cool. Cool beans, dude. I like that guy. May have to keep him. He's cool. There you go.
Lots of great extras.
Yeah, I'm going to have to tell Mary again, thank you, thank you, thank you. I didn't expect it. I think she's threw me well over 50 plus action figures at the rate it's going. This here looks really cool. Oh my, knock you down, boy.
Nice.
Look at this dude. He looks sweet. There you go. Oh, this guy looks good too. And then I got Robin.
Okay, Robin over here.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right. I've also got Mr. Green.
I like the Green Ranger.
Yeah, I don't remember their names, of course. The kids would, I think, but I don't.
Looks like he's had some wear and tear.
Now, Kathy, I think this guy's Lex, but I'm not sure, so don't, if you guys know and I've screwed up, make sure to tell me. Comments below. Oh my, Batman.
That's a really good one.
Oh, here's one I like. Everybody's favorite Boy Wonder.
Robin. Looks like he's losing some hair on the top.
Dick may have lost a little bit of hair, yeah.
All right, do you know the last one?
No, I don't know what she did, but I'll have to look him up and find her.
It's a really nice figure. I don't think I've ever seen this one.
No, I don't. This here should be Iron Man. I'm really impressed by him.
But it's a different design of Iron Man.
Yeah, it's a different one. I think that's Bruce Wayne. I could be off on that one. She gave me a lot.
Yeah, she did.
Tony Stark. Another Iron Man variant, basically. Well, he's not going to work with me, so.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'll put a little view here, over here. Okay.
Oh, can't get him to go.
We got a good shot of him.
Good deal.
Yeah.
I think these guys here are Ultraman. Here's another one. Hey, this is the evil villain. I like him.
Really nice.
He may have to stay because he's a little harder to get with me.
Mm-hmm.
This is definitely an Ultraman figure. I'm going to have to lay him down. Okay, and then we've got common Batmans from the Kenner line.
Can never have enough common Batmans.
Well, I'm not sure if he's Power Ranger or not. We'll have to look him up. This here...
It's actually the same guy. This is actually the same guy over here. See?
Okay, then he's...
You know,
okay,
you
this
just
one
shouted
here,
him out as the other guy.
That one there, I think, is the guy that throws the cards, Gambit.
A lot of face wear there. See that?
Yeah. Arnold Schwarzenegger, Mr. Freeze.
Nice. Is that a common figure, or is that
you would think it would be, but it's really not. It's harder to get than most people think, especially in Indiana.
Okay.
Some areas, I'd say, like Hollywood and stuff, they are not as hard. This is another Green Power Rangers, guys.
Nice.
Kathy will try to catch up on me. I know I'm going a little fast, but I don't want to bore people either. I have no clue who this one is, so I'm going to put him by you. So if you guys know any of these that I don't know, please feel free to tell us. Hey, looky what we got. Masters of the Universe, Beastman, 2006 era.
Okay.
Okay, let's stick him right there. Okay, I'll get another one.
I mean, there's more.
Yeah, there's more. And guys, the reason why we do a lot of this unboxing and stuff in our kitchen at our house is because my toy barn is so full. My garage is freezing cold right now, and I don't want to run the heaters in there all the time. And my studio upstairs is full. And my second studio that I have at the House of Darkness, as we call it, is just so dark at night sometimes that you can't really make the lighting work real well. And my granddaughter's made me promise, Papa, please don't put toys in our room. So I don't put toys in the room. So Papa has to use this room down here.
Understood. Yeah, they're going to have their own room.
Yep. All right, here we go, guys. This is the last bag.
Okay.
Oh, my Lord. This is that woman, I think. I can't remember her name. Ursa, is it? But I'll have to look her up. But no, I could be wrong. Don't look like a woman. Okay. Well, I might be wrong. All right.
If we're wrong, tell us in the comments.
G.I. Joe, 12-incher.
Nice.
Make sure to tell Mary thank you for all these extras.
I will. Great source there.
Tell her I appreciate it. I bought off her over a couple days, times, made trades with her. She always does me right. All right.
Okay, that is, let's see.
I'm believing it's a Joe. I think it's probably Duke Hauser. I could be wrong.
Duke Hauser?
Yep. Conrad Duke Hauser.
Not Doogie Hauser.
No, not Doogie
Not the
Howser.
doctor. Not Doogie Hauser, the
He's
doctor.
got his, looks like he's got at the start of his dog tags, but it's got all the armor.
Gotcha.
The little plates. I don't know what this goes. It's like a bionic in there, like the military's exosuit buildings or outfits they're trying to make nowadays for the soldiers and stuff.
Right.
And he's got the rubber boots too, guys. So this guy right there is
He's in excellent condition,
a
I
good
believe.
$6, $7, $8, $9 figure. Depends on who wants him to win. But guys, this is pretty much what we got. I'm going to guesstimate that, honest with you, I probably have, I'd say, about 50 to 55 figures here.
I think originally when you bought off of her,
48.
it was supposed to be 48.
48. and she gave me a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then all these right through there. So I would say, honestly, I probably have a good 55 to 60 action figures, which, including shipping and tax, I paid, I think, was it $81 or $86? I can't remember.
I think about $86.
I think it's about $86, maybe a little higher, a little lower by $3 or $4 one way or the other. But I know it wasn't over 86, so it'd be towards the 81 area. But I think I did pretty good, because when I do the math right here, we're not even $2 an action figure.
Right, that's
So
excellent.
That is excellent.
If you
And
are a thrifter or
yeah.
reseller and you do stuff like this, like us, like you said, you want to sell low or sell low, buy low and sell high. So
high.
if you
Yep.
are able to get action figures for $2, even $3, and you know that you're going to get your money back plus, it's a great way to do it.
Well, and even some of these parts, I can sell them for $5 a piece.
Absolutely.
So, you know, if you take in the parts, which God knows what there is here, including the cape and
Right.
all this, I can probably at least quadruple my amount, maybe 6 times it, you know, depending
Right.
on how I put it and what each item compares to in standard shape and size and collectability.
Right.
And frankly, facial appearance. I told you in my last video that I'm going to be putting out tomorrow that location is important with business, as in where you reside, but not just location. It's the appearance, your
Right.
appearance, and the way it displays. For instance, I'll be able to get more out of this guy here with his shininess and his nice look
Mm-hmm.
than I can somebody that you know, is like this. It's, you know, and it's basically, playability is very important with toys, as well as their wear and tear. The less wear and tear, like with cars or anything else, the more valuable it is. All right, well, guys, I hope you enjoyed our unboxing. This is the first of many that we're going to be doing of the Power Rangers Plus. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you got somebody that likes toys like we do and wants to be a part of a toy community that's friendly, and frankly, you're part of the family, we call you Madcappers out there, feel free to subscribe, like, and tell us what you liked in the set. Tell us what you'd like us to do and show you sometime. But don't forget to comment. Give us your comments. Give us your thoughts. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. And just be sure to tag that little bell so that you get notified every time that we put out a new video. All right. Thank you so much. You have a great day.